What if I told you that incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily routine could be one of the simplest yet most effective changes you can make to your diet this year? Eating just 2 boiled eggs every day can increase your intake of essential vitamins and minerals by more than 30%. Yes, you heard that correctly. These small, humble eggs can enrich your diet in a big way, supporting everything from brain health to muscle recovery. So, can these nutritional powerhouses really make a noticeable difference to your health? By the end of this video, you'll discover the surprising benefits of boiled eggs and how they can enhance your wellness journey. Let's start by taking a closer look at what makes boiled eggs such a nutritional powerhouse. First, consider the protein. 1 boiled egg contains around 6 grams of high-quality protein, providing all the essential amino acids your body needs to repair tissues and build muscle. It's a perfect addition to boost your workout results or simply maintain overall health. But the benefits don't end with protein. Eggs are packed with a range of vitamins and minerals that are vital for your health. They're an excellent source of vitamin D, which supports bone health and immune function. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to serious health issues, including osteoporosis. Another standout nutrient is choline, which is crucial for brain health. Choline supports brain development and function, and can even help improve memory. Unfortunately, many people don't get enough choline, but 2 eggs a day provide about half of the daily recommended intake. Boiled eggs also deliver vitamin B12, which is essential for energy production and DNA creation, biotin, which benefits your skin and hair, and selenium, an antioxidant that helps protect your cells from damage. Now that we know what's inside these nutritional gems, let's dive into how eating 2 boiled eggs a day can transform your health. First, let's talk about energy. The high-quality protein in boiled eggs provides sustained energy throughout the day. Unlike simple carbs that cause blood sugar spikes and crashes, the protein in eggs helps stabilize your blood sugar levels, keeping your energy steady. This makes eggs an excellent choice for breakfast or a post-workout snack, helping you recover and rebuild muscle without the energy dip that comes from less balanced options. Next, let's address heart health. Although eggs have been controversial in the past due to their cholesterol content, recent studies show that for most people, eggs actually improve cholesterol profiles by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol. We'll discuss more about this myth later on. How do eggs impact your cardiovascular health? Research indicates that eggs significantly strengthen skeletal muscles, which positively affects overall health by improving insulin sensitivity, physical function, and reducing the risks associated with prehypertension, cardiovascular disease, osteoporosis, and even all-cause mortality. Eggs are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which help lower triglyceride levels in the blood, making them excellent for heart health. Weight management is another key benefit. Eggs are a powerful tool for those aiming to maintain or lose weight, thanks to their ability to promote satiety. Their high protein content keeps you feeling full longer, reducing the urge to snack and supporting a lower calorie intake throughout the day. Additionally, protein has a thermogenic effect. It takes more calories to digest protein than fats or carbohydrates, which can boost metabolism. Considering that 73.1% of American adults are overweight or obese, incorporating nutrient-dense, moderate-calorie foods like eggs is vital for a healthier lifestyle. For athletes, eggs are an affordable and efficient protein source, ideal for optimizing diet and meeting protein requirements. Eggs are rich in essential vitamins and minerals that support overall health. Regular consumption ensures adequate vitamin D levels, benefiting mood, cognitive function, and immunity. They're also great for eye health, thanks to lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants found in the retina. These nutrients reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration and cataracts, common causes of vision impairment and blindness in older adults. When it comes to skin health, eggs shine again. They are rich in protein and biotin, a B vitamin crucial for maintaining healthy hair, skin, and nails. Biotin also protects the skin against acne, fungal infections, and rashes. Eggs further contribute to muscle repair and growth, supporting hormone and enzyme production, which is especially beneficial for athletes or physically active individuals. Interestingly, about 40% of an egg's protein is in the yolk, alongside non-protein nutrients like vitamins, minerals, phosphatidic acid, and other compounds that enhance muscle growth. Research shows that consuming whole eggs stimulates greater muscle protein synthesis than eating egg whites alone. For blood sugar control, eggs are a low-carb food that helps stabilize glucose levels, making them a smart choice for individuals managing diabetes or monitoring their blood sugar. How to add eggs to your diet. If you're ready to include boiled eggs in your daily routine, here's how to maximize their benefits. Breakfast. Start your day with 1 or 2 boiled eggs for a protein-rich, satisfying meal that keeps hunger at bay until lunch. Pre- or post-workout, boiled eggs provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and recovery, making them a great snack before or after exercise. If plain boiled eggs seem dull, try these ideas. Slice them over a fresh salad for a protein boost. Chop them into a sandwich for a satisfying meal. Create deviled eggs with avocado or hot sauce for extra flavor. Stir chopped eggs into a bowl of warm ramen for added texture and nutrition. Eggs are a versatile, affordable, and nutrient-dense food that can benefit nearly every aspect of your health. With a little creativity, they can easily become a staple in your diet. The ultimate guide to choosing and enjoying eggs. Selecting the right eggs is as crucial as how you prepare them. Whenever possible, opt for organic or free-range eggs. These come from chickens raised with quality feed and better living conditions, often resulting in higher nutrient content and superior taste. Look for labels like organic, free-range, or pasture-raised. Not only are these options healthier, but they also promote humane and sustainable farming practices. Debunking myths about eggs. Eggs have long been a topic of dietary debate. Today, let's crack open the most common myths and provide clarity so you can enjoy eggs with confidence. Myth 1. Eggs are bad for your heart due to cholesterol. While eggs do contain cholesterol, it doesn't raise blood cholesterol levels in the same way saturated and trans fats do. In fact, research shows that eggs can improve your cholesterol profile by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, which helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Unless you have specific health conditions, such as diabetes or a family history of high cholesterol, enjoying an egg or 2 daily can be both safe and beneficial. Myth 2. Brown eggs are healthier than white eggs. The color of an eggshell is simply determined by the breed of the chicken and has no impact on nutrition, flavor, or quality. Both brown and white eggs offer the same nutritional value, so choose based on your preference or budget. Myth 3. Eating eggs every day is harmful. This outdated belief stems from misconceptions about cholesterol. In reality, eggs are a powerhouse of nutrients and an excellent source of high-quality protein. Consuming eggs daily, in moderation, is a fantastic way to nourish your body. However, always consult a healthcare provider if you have specific dietary restrictions or health concerns. The nutritional power of eggs. Eggs are packed with essential nutrients, making them a compact and natural multivitamin. They're especially rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals, but they may cause allergies in some individuals, particularly children. If someone in your family has an egg allergy, explore alternative foods to ensure adequate nutrition. Cooking eggs also boosts their health benefits. While raw eggs retain nutrients, cooking makes their proteins easier for your body to absorb and significantly reduces the risk of salmonella. Boiled or cooked eggs are the safer, healthier choice. More than just breakfast, eggs are incredibly versatile and aren't limited to breakfast. From a protein-packed lunch salad to a hearty dinner option, they can be incorporated into any meal. They're not just a snack, they're an all-around nutritional powerhouse. So, the next time you shop for groceries, don't overlook the humble egg. They're an affordable, nutrient-rich food that deserves a place in your diet. Pair them with other protein-rich foods for a balanced approach to nutrition. For more tips on improving your health and diet, check out this video. Thanks for watching.